Welcome to Tech Beats, where we showcase the latest and greatest cool gadgets that you can purchase from Amazon right now. From cutting-edge technology to quirky and innovative designs, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore the coolest gadgets on the market and help you make your next tech purchase a breeze. When it comes to tools, sometimes smaller is better, and the Creation Matrix multi-tool is proof of that. This tiny device, weighing in at just 1.4 ounces and folding down to a mere 2.3 inches in length, packs an impressive 90 functions into its small form factor. The tool includes a knife made of Japanese VG10 steel, a screwdriver, a whistle, a cutter for seatbelts, and a tritium tube slot, among many others. The body is made of medical-grade titanium alloy, ensuring both durability and resistance to wear and tear. This multi-tool is not just practical, but also stylish, and can easily be worn as a fashion accessory. The Creation Matrix multi-tool is the perfect solution for those who want to be prepared for any situation, without having to carry around a bulky toolbox. So, whether you're going on a camping trip, working on a DIY project, or just want a useful tool to keep in your pocket, the Creation Matrix multi-tool has got you covered. What do you think about this compact and versatile tool? Streaming has become a significant part of online content consumption, and if you want to succeed in this field, you need to have the right tools. The Elgato Stream Deck is a perfect example of such a tool. With over 1 billion hours of content being watched on Twitch alone in 2020, the Stream Deck is a device that will help you adjust the sound, send messages to social media, switch from one window to another, and perform other tasks in real time. Each of the 15 keys is a mini display, and you can set up individual keys or combinations for different tasks. Weighing in at only 7 ounces, it's easy to carry around, making it perfect for visiting another streamer or taking on the go. The Stream Deck also comes with a special stand that provides a comfortable tilt angle for ease of use. At a price of $126, it's a great investment for anyone looking to make it in the world of online content creation. What do you think? The FLÍKR Fire is a great way to take a break after a busy day of shooting cool videos, writing or streaming. And at only $92, you don't have to worry about breaking the bank. The design is inspired by the Japanese concept of wabi-sabi, which means finding beauty in the simple and modest things in life. This portable fireplace uses isopropyl alcohol, and just 5 ounces of it lasts for an impressive 50 minutes. You can even cook with it indoors or outdoors, making it a versatile addition to your home. And with its main material being cement, you can expect to enjoy this fireplace for many years to come. What do you think about this unique and stylish fireplace? If you're someone who's looking for a distraction-free writing experience and prefers the feel of a typewriter, then the Freewrite Traveler might be of interest to you. This digital version of the typewriter offers a full-size mechanical keyboard, an e-ink display, support for more than 30 languages, and integration with cloud platforms such as Google Drive. At a price tag of $500, the Freewrite Traveler may seem expensive, but it offers a unique writing experience with no social media, email, browsers, or other distractions that could take you away from your writing. The device is portable, weighing only 1.6 pounds, and can last up to 4 weeks on a single charge. With its memory capable of holding up to 1 million pages, the Freewrite Traveler is an excellent choice for writers who want to focus on their work without any distractions. What do you think? Would you be willing to invest in a device that's designed to help you concentrate and write without any distractions? The GoPro action cameras have become incredibly popular, with over 30 million units sold by 2018. It's not surprising, then, that there are so many accessories available on the market, but have you seen the GoPro AER? It's a giant dart-shaped container that acts as a drone alternative. Simply insert your GoPro camera into the head of the AER, throw it, and shoot some amazing videos. The soft foam exterior of the AER also provides a layer of protection for your camera against any potential damage. The range of the GoPro AER is about 98 feet, which is pretty impressive, and it is compatible with a wide range of GoPro Hero cameras, from version 3 Plus to 11. And if you want to take things to the next level, there's even a model available for smartphones. Overall, the GoPro AER looks like an exciting accessory for those looking to capture some stunning aerial footage without breaking the bank on a full-fledged drone. The price point of $75 also seems quite reasonable, considering the functionality it provides. What do you think? Would you consider buying the GoPro AER for your next adventure? Are you looking for an affordable and efficient way to keep cool during hot summer days? Look no further than the IcyFlow Universal Air Conditioner. The summer of 2022 brought record-breaking heat waves to many European countries, including Portugal, Germany, and the UK. To help combat the heat, the IcyFlow Universal Air Conditioner offers some amazing features that are sure to catch your attention. And the best part? It only costs $200. First of all, the IcyFlow can cool up to 2,470 cubic feet per hour, making it suitable for medium-sized rooms or outdoor spaces. It's also designed to be used outdoors and weighs only about 22 pounds, so you won't have any trouble transporting it wherever you need it. Secondly, one charge of the IcyFlow will last up to 6 hours, allowing you to enjoy outdoor activities without worrying about recharging it. And last but not least, this product also acts as a power bank, a Bluetooth speaker, a mosquito repellent, and a flashlight, all at the same time. Overall, the IcyFlow Universal Air Conditioner is an innovative and versatile product that offers multiple functionalities, making it an attractive option for those who love spending time outdoors. What do you think? Have you heard about the new helmet developed in South Korea by RABA? It's unlike anything we've ever seen before. This helmet is so compact that it can easily fit inside a purse, and it transforms in just 10 seconds. And it's already received a local safety certificate, which is pretty impressive. What's really unique about this helmet is its design. It's reminiscent of origami and is made of polystyrene foam and thermoplastic. According to reviews, the helmet is quite comfortable and adapts well to the shape of your head. Plus, it weighs only 15 ounces, which makes it super lightweight and easy to wear. Experts in the field have also praised the RABA helmet, and it has won prizes in several design competitions. Although we don't know the exact price or when it will hit the market just yet, it's definitely a helmet that's worth keeping an eye on. I can't wait to see how it performs once it's released. By the way, what do you think about the idea of a helmet that transforms like origami? Do you think cyclists would be willing to pay attention to a screen and take the time to fold it up, or do you think it's better to stick with traditional helmets? Introducing the Rolling Square Towel, a tiny power bank that packs a punch. This Swiss-designed power bank is no larger than a car key fob and weighs just 1.4 ounces, making it incredibly portable. Don't let its small size fool you though. With a capacity of 1,400 mAh, it's capable of charging an iPhone 13 Pro up to 50%, perfect for emergencies or when you're on the go. The Rolling Square Towel comes with USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB cables, so you can charge your devices no matter the brand. Its patented docking station makes it easy to recharge the power bank, ensuring that you're always prepared for your next adventure. At just $29, this power bank is a great alternative to traditional chargers, and its compact size makes it the perfect addition to your keychain. What do you think about this innovative and practical gadget? Are you a fan of board games? If you enjoy playing Dungeons & Dragons or other tabletop games, you know that rolling a lot of dice can be inconvenient when the table is already cluttered with game pieces, cards, and other items. That's where the Roulette Dice comes in. This device combines the mechanics of dice with the fun of a roulette wheel, allowing you to roll multiple dice at once and keep the table organized. The design of the Roulette Dice includes D4, D6, D8, D10, D12, D20, and D% dice, and you can even order a customized design for specific games. Made of durable zinc alloy, this device will withstand many hours of gameplay. And if you're looking for an easy way to keep your roulette dice organized and protected, there's even a carrying case available. The price for the Roulette Dice is $39, making it a fun and affordable addition to any board game collection. What do you think? Are you tired of having cables cluttering up your workspace? With all the wireless devices available, cables are still a necessary part of our lives, especially for charging devices and connecting them to screens. However, sometimes these cables can get in the way, disrupting the feeling of harmony and balance you want to achieve. That's where the Quickdraw system comes in to save the day. This system allows your cables to be neatly routed under your desk, leaving just enough length to connect them to your devices. The Quickdraw system mounts with an adhesive that is suitable for all types of cables, and with a little practice, you can even pull out the cables you need without looking. The kit comes with 2 small clips, a large base, and a cleaning wipe, all for a reasonable price of $13. Get your workspace organized and enjoy the feeling of wabi-sabi with the Quickdraw system. If you're looking for a versatile multi-tool, then you might be interested in the Tooking Silver. It's not just for camping or fishing trips, this tool is designed to be useful in everyday life too. With features like a fire starter, a built-in whistle for calling for help, and a flashlight to help you find your way in the dark, this tool has a lot to offer. It even has a laser rangefinder, which is a unique feature that you won't find in most other multi-tools. Despite its many functions, the Tooking Silver is still small enough to fit in your pocket, measuring 4.8 by 2.5 inches and weighing 8 ounces. The price might seem a bit steep at $179, but for those who value versatility, this could be a great investment. What do you think about it? The VIVE XR Elite VR headset is a high-end device that is designed to provide an immersive virtual reality experience. It stands out from the competition with its powerful and lightweight design, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. One of the key features that sets it apart is the diopter adjustment, which allows users to adjust the focus of the image to compensate for poor eyesight. This is especially important for those who wear glasses or contact lenses. The adjustable interpupillary distance (IPD) ensures that the lenses are aligned with the user's eyes, providing a clear and crisp image. The VIVE XR Elite headset is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor and 12 GB of RAM, making it capable of handling even the most demanding tasks. It has a resolution of 3840 by 1920 pixels, which is higher than most VR headsets on the market. This means that users can enjoy high-quality graphics and a seamless experience while playing games, watching movies, or working with graphics. The headset comes with 2 controllers that are ergonomically designed and easy to use. They are perfect for playing games or interacting with virtual environments. The VIVE XR Elite VR headset is a luxury product that comes with a price tag of $1,100, making it one of the most expensive VR headsets on the market. However, for those who are serious about virtual reality, it is an investment that can provide endless hours of entertainment and productivity.